I think every investor dreams of the perfect investment, something that's safe, it grows fast, it pays consistent income, but usually you only get to pick two maybe out of the three. If it's safe, it's slow. If it's high performing, it's typically risky. If it pays income, it's usually taxed and very slow as well. But what if you could have all three, safety, performance, and income in one strategy? That's what I call the perfect trifecta. Think of it like building the perfect car. You want the engine for speed, the frame for safety, and the comfort for endurance. If you only have speed without control, you're probably going to crash. If you only have safety without power, you crawl along and never get anywhere. If you have comfort without performance, it's never really exciting to even ride along. And wealth building works the same way. Most investors settle for one or two of those. But with the right design, you actually can have all three working together for you. So let's break down what I call the perfect trifecta. First, what's the safest asset on the planet? Well, actually, it's a high cash value life insurance policy issued by a company that's been around for over 150 years. It's the most reliable financial vehicle in existence. Banks even own billions of cash value life insurance. Corporations fund executive plans with it. It compounds every year, tax advantaged, with guaranteed growth and liquidity. Your principal's always protected and your cash value can be accessed tax-free at any time. That's kind of the foundation. That's your safety layer, if you will. Number two, what's the highest performing asset? Well, it's Bitcoin. Over the last decade, Bitcoin has outperformed every asset on earth. Real estate, gold, stocks, you name it. It's digital. It's decentralized. It's finite. Only 21 million will ever exist. Bitcoin's like owning real estate in cyberspace, but with a built-in scarcity that keeps driving the demand. So that's your growth layer. Then number three, what about the monthly income? Well, that's where the YLDZ Token comes in. Here's where we tie it all together. The Z Token earns daily Bitcoin rewards through mining. Then it pays those rewards out monthly to the token owners, right to their app and right to their wallet on their phone. That's real, predictable, digital yield month after month. So while your policy compounds safely and your Bitcoin appreciates, your Z tokens are generating steady Bitcoin income that you can withdraw or reinvest and spend as you like. That's your cash flow layer. Now, when you combine all three, that's when things get really powerful. Your life insurance provides your guaranteed growth and tax-free access. Your Bitcoin provides exceptional and exponential upside, and your Z token provides the consistent monthly income. But here's where the genius lies. The yield from your Z token can actually be used to fund your life insurance policy, increasing your cash value automatically. And then your life insurance gives you the liquidity to turn around and buy more Bitcoin or more Z tokens without selling anything or without triggering taxes. You see, each piece strengthens the others. Safety feeds growth, growth funds income, income replenishes the safety. That's a wealth cycle, not a financial product. It's what I call compounding with purpose. Now, most people think you can't have it all. They believe you have to sacrifice safety for growth, income for protection, but that's the old way. The perfect trifecta is the new way, combining the safest asset on the planet, cash value life insurance, the highest performing asset, Bitcoin, and the monthly Bitcoin income through the Z token. That's safety, performance, and cash flow all working together. So if you want to stop chasing one-dimensional investments and start building a complete wealth system that literally can work in any market, let's schedule a private strategy session. I'll show you how to build your own perfect trifecta, the system where the money grows, flows, and compounds all at once. Safety, performance, and income. Now you're not just investing, you've created an architecture of wealth. Well, grab my calendar link below, schedule a strategy session. Look forward to talking to you soon. Take care.